guys, so now we're just finished visiting our friends here, Irene, and now the next destination is we're going to
Polis.
the Polis Road, and we're gonna try to swim there. With us still with the friends again, Nevis, Shelley. We're gonna go to the Aphrodite Bath, kung saan naliligo ang napakagandang si Aphrodite, the goddess of beauty. So ayan, pagpupunta ka daw doon sa Aphrodite, ano ba yung pagpupunta ka doon, mga requirements?
It's if they say it's the you can have the fountain of youth.
Yes, so kailangan
That's neat.
yes, so we're going there to manifest the
It is
beauty.
still
Yes, the beauty and the forever youngest
Forever
looks katulad
young.
namin, mga ganyan, para palagi tayong young, na katulad ni Ate Nieves na young na young.
Young,
Oh.
young and fresh.
Young
Same
and
you,
fresh. So, ayan, after a long time, after a long years, we finally arrived in Aphrodite Bath. We actually lost a bit. Just we go around in the saan ba yun?
Sa kalsada.
In the calzada. And also we lost in the village. Ayan. Kinabahan na si Be. Kinabahan ka ba?
Oo.
Kinabahan ka dahil sa naligaw tayo?
No, of course not.
We're not. So at the moment,
It's part of the adventure.
yes, at the moment we are gonna explore the Aphrodite
Di ba dito, be?
Bath. Yes, yes, there. Yes,
Yes.
that's the Aphrodite Bath. So you're gonna go entrance. So I'm gonna show you guys for a bit. So this is Aphrodite Botanical Garden Baths of Aphrodite. So entrance. Ayan. Yung mga kasamahan ko. Yung mga turista galing sa ano? Sa baba.
Salaglag dito. Pagkakataon na.
We're here now. Now you make what do you call it? You're now alive. Kaya nga eh. Hinihingal lang ang pinakabata.
Mag-spray muna, masunog ang balat natin.
Taas mo naman kaya?
Ayun, dapat nag-ice cream muna tayo. Doon sa baba.
Hindi ka pa nag-umpisa.
Hindi pa. Doon na kayong pagkain. Kala pa naman,
Okay guys, so now we are on the path of Aphrodite. Of course, the path is here. So it's quite a little bit. It's a little bit distance from the entrance. It's like takes just 1 minute to walk and discover the Aphrodite Bath. And everyone is wishing to the Aphrodite Bath for a long beauty. You know, they are looking for wish to a beauty in nature. It's like this is a beautiful naturistic here, which is lots of trees, lots of what do you call it? Lots of grass. So this is, here you go guys.
ito ko talaga ang titingnan natin dito.
Hindi ganyan yung
Galing
nakita
sa
mo.
ano, ayan o, galing sa bundok, sa taas.
So as you can see now, we're on the Aphrodite Bath, and this is underneath an old fig trees and shaded from the warm sun cypress. Of course, the water flows down the wall of rock and form and pool among the moss. Of course, it is here the legend says Aphrodite would come to the bath, and according to Greek mythology, she met her lover Adonis at the pool when she stopped for drinking while hunting. Ayan, mapapasana all ka na lang, di ba? And if you plan to visit this and see the pool and to feel the quiet and cool place, I recommend Aphrodite Bath. And this is very naturistic if you plan and experience the nature. And this is pleasant place to relax and located at the coast of the Ikamis Peninsula in Paphos area. Ayan yung mga nagwi-wish ng mga kagandahan kay Aphrodite. What's your wish for Aphrodite?
Sana makita ko na.
Sana makita mo na ang talagang meant for you.
Ay,
Galing na ako doon.
kilala mo yun.
Oo, hawakan mo yung malaki.
Ayan, sumuko na sila dahil pagoda na sila. Oh, this is my vlog. Wala ka sa vlog. Pagod na kami, kaya dito na kami ngayon. Bababa na kami. Tapos na namin
Ano meron
mag-wish.
doon? Si Aphrodite
Wala.
nandun eh.
Kapitbahay ni Aphrodite nandun. So, tapos na kami mag-explore. Actually, there is a lot of things to explore. If you like to walk around by the area of Aphrodite, there's a lot of things to discover. There's a lot of botanical plants and trees to discover, so you can explore there. So, yes. So, I would tell you guys that it's the most exciting part here is when discovering the road, and actually it's 40 minutes away from the Paphos area in Cyprus. So you must to get ready and prepare yourself. Of course, at this moment you need lots of water to drink because the temperature is quite
Hindi, nag-ano pa tayo, naligaw na
high.
lumampas tayo.
And yes, after that we decided to gonna have a swimming. So we will have swimming later, and after this walking. And yes, so it's lovely to swim actually in Paphos. Yes, with my ayan yung mga swimming. Tapos yung mga dagat. Okay, now after that adventures, as you can see, we enjoy a lot among my friends. We enjoy the trail, and of course, we always love the adventures, visiting the places of Aphrodite, dating area. As you can see, nakikita dyan si Adonis at si Aphrodite. So, mapapasana all ka na lang talaga. Ay, sana all Aphrodite. I would say it's a beautiful experience to enjoy in the naturistic fun time with my friends. And now we're moving to the next stop. So we will have swimming in the beach only down the Aphrodite Bath. And see you there, guys. And thank you, of course, for watching my vlog. And I hope to continue seeing you all around. And leave some comment down below. And sa mga bago pa lang sa aking channel, please consider to subscribe. Keven Reyes. Thank you, guys. See you to the next video.